back, so hopefully I just put a pause on the video there. We got a stuck ball. This is frame 4. Figures every time I do good, I get some kind of stuck ball or something, and then I end up screwing it all up. Almost thought I wasn't going to get that one. Alright, let's see if I can't finish this game out with strikes without any kind of further delay. I was on a roll first 3 frames. Ball was shaping really good. Oh, that was a good one too. All right, let me know if you have the Piranha Powercor Pearl. If you had one from way back in the day, or if you got the new one now, or you got the solid one. Alright. I'm following the power and going too fast. It's 16 miles an hour. Way too fast. Broke my damn rhythm. I hate open frames. I always get worried with the layout I put on a ball. I always like worry that I'm not giving it the right layout, but this one, I think I nailed it. It's got very good shape. Very happy so far. This is game 1 with it. I'm standing on about 20-25. So I got some buddies that said this ball looks like shit. It's an ugly, hideous ball, but it's looking pretty good to me. Definitely looks like it's going to be a sleeper. I think it's going to be a real good ball for Napa because they don't put a lot of oil out on the lane, so I think it's going to shape really good. It's going to be a good house ball. Like a freaking truck. Alright, that is 6 strikes so far. 1 open frame to screw me up. This ball. Yeah, I'm definitely going to bring this to league, I think. I'm going to bring this and maybe the Chill Pearl. The Chill Pearl has been pretty damn consistent for me too. Damn. I'm getting kind of sloppy with my pocket hits, and it's still striking. Very forgiving ball. All right, one more. Let's see if we can get a pretty good score here. I noticed the pins weren't laid down properly on that one, but 242 for game one of the Piranha Powercor Pearl. Not a bad first game. I'm gonna do another game just for fun. I'm gonna do game two of this ball. See what we can do.
Guarantee it's gonna be open crazy.
This ball is legit. All right, so I'm filming at 4K. Hopefully my camera doesn't shut down on me. I'll try to power bowl these. I won't take too long. I'm still standing at about 25. Alright, a little bit too much hook. A little slow, it's about 14. So definitely need to put polish on my spare ball. This is going to be my secret weapon, that's for damn sure. Very unassuming ball. The wife thinks I'm going to get a 300 with this ball. She goes, you're probably going to get a 300 with the most unassuming ball in your collection. I sure hope so. So the lane conditions for this ball are pretty much perfect. So we got some dry conditions out right now. Just a little bit of oil, not too much. And this is where this ball is definitely shining. A little bit too clean on that one. 16. No more 10 pins. Give me some strikes. A little bit of left of pocket on that one. I thought I was going to get lucky, but it wasn't the case. So we're going 13.8 right now. It's pretty much where I'm staying at with my speed. this. One of the reviews that kind of stood out to me was the Hypes video when he bowled this. He got a 279, I believe. He got 11 strikes and they left a 10 pin, got a spare. Pretty damn impressive. Alright, so that one kind of cut over last minute, didn't expect that one. And once again, same exact speed. May have to move over to the left a little bit. All right, 10th frame here. We can't pull through. Don't tell me I got another stuck ball. Here we go, here we go. Columbia 300, who would have thought, huh? Everybody thinks these are shit balls, but damn, this is sort of showing opposite of that. I may just get a 300 with this ball one day. All right, we got one more to go. So we can't end it with a 4-bagger. Oh, weird. Okay, so that's game 2. 227, game 2 with the Piranha Powercor Pearl. I think I'll end it right there. Not a bad ball. I do say so myself. 2 really good scores back to back, right out of the box. You've seen it first right here. So if you like what you see, give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.